Imagine waking up tomorrow and everything is gone. The cities, the roads, the electricity, the internet, wiped clean. Just 8 billion people standing on a blank Earth. What happens next? The first thing we do is survive. Find water, find food, build shelter. It sounds like we've been thrown back 10,000 years to the dawn of agriculture. But there's one critical difference. This time, we remember what fire is. We remember that seeds grow into food. We remember the basic laws of physics and hygiene. That accumulated knowledge, our greatest tool, changes everything. Because alone, we're vulnerable, but together, we're a force. Within weeks, people would naturally band into groups. Someone is a better hunter. Someone is a better builder. Someone remembers the basics of medicine and becomes the healer. This is the first rule of civilization, specialization. You find what you're good at and you do that. And just like that, with roles emerging and people trading skills, society begins again. And here's where it gets truly wild. The first time around, it took humanity 10,000 years to get from the first farm to the first factory. This time, we would do it in a fraction of that, maybe a couple of centuries. Why? Because we remember the shortcuts. We already have the cheat codes. We know that steel needs iron and carbon. We know that invisible germs, not evil spirits, cause disease. We know the earth is round. Think of it, thousands of years of brutal, deadly trial and error completely skipped. We wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel. We'd just have to remember how to build one. But it wouldn't be a utopia overnight. Knowledge without tools is just a collection of words. You can remember how a microchip works, but you can't build one with your bare hands. You need copper wire before you can have electricity. You need to smelt steel before you can build engines. Society would still have to climb the ladder of technology, one rung at a time. Fire, then iron, then writing, machines, and so on. And there's an even bigger problem. Us, people. Who's in charge? Who owns this piece of land? Who gets the best resources? The same old conflicts that defined our history would return, and they'd return fast. So maybe the most important question isn't how fast we would rebuild, but how differently. With the entire blueprint of human history in our heads, would we make the same mistakes, the same wars, the same inequality, the same pollution? Or would we use this second chance to build something better? We could build with clean energy from day one. We could engineer systems without lead in the pipes. We could write fundamental human rights into the Constitution of the very first new village. History gave us a perfect case study of what went wrong. The question is, would we follow the old blueprint or would we finally fix it? Because in the end, civilization isn't really the buildings or the technology. It's the shared knowledge we carry inside us. If we started over tomorrow, we'd likely have electricity again within a single lifetime. Within 2, we'd probably be back online. The most powerful, most resilient thing humanity ever built isn't a city or a satellite or a computer. It's the ability to learn, to remember, and to pass that knowledge from one generation to the next. That system never truly resets. If you enjoyed exploring that what-if scenario, be sure to subscribe for a brand new question every week. We'll see you in the next one.